What's up, guys? I'm gonna be hacking on Mine Hut. Let's see. I know. Maybe. Brr. Okay. Let's see. Yep, you can change version. Lag! Hey, look at me, I'm hacking. Isn't that cool? Where's that ang? If I can just stop lagging. Brr, okay. I'm joining survival. Okay, I can't. Why in the world can I not move? This makes zero sense. Can I see why I can't move? Let's see. Why can I not move? Super not back, turned off. Move player, it's turned that off. I still can't move. I got trapped. I can't move. Okay, never mind. I'll BRB for a second. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm now back from the bathroom. Hold up. Let's see. See what PvP games I cannot get kicked from. Do you guys know where I cannot get kicked from? Are you serious right now? Okay, I was temporarily banned. Okay, let's join random server. The flip? Okay. Noise. So what do you do, though? Brr. Isn't this PvP? These people in creative. Bro, all the stops, almost all of the spots are taken. Aha, not that spot was taken. Bruh. Ugh. Here. Gotta go slap my balls real quick. Back slapping my balls. Just fix the camera. Okay. I wanted to join random SMP. How about join this with my phone? BRB. I'm back, but I didn't have to get my phone. Oh, these people are gonna get wrecked. Get wrecked, losers! I'll be you guys like and subscribe. If you already have this hack client, just subscribe. Bruh. Seriously, this mod. BRB.